Hello YouTube, welcome to Profession. I am Harsh Kumar and this is the part 3 of the video series. In this video we are developing Neumorphic design. So let's start and open it with live server. So today we will create this part. Right now we have created this part, the navigation bar. Now we will create the hero section. First add a section. Class hero. So first let's see what we are doing here. There is a container and two columns. So div class container, and let's add a class pt-20. It's a utility class, which means padding top 20 in this div. Now add two div columns, div with a class name content, and in it add heading, add two, and write the heading title web development, and a paragraph in which we write we provide best web solution. And now add another div column, div class illustration for images. Now add image with the class illustration. Now add an image source, image web development svg. And now that's all for the markup. And let me show you what we have created yet. But we will add CSS grid in it, and it look much better. So I planned earlier to create this container div, a grid with a two column layout. So add a utility class of grid, and in the section class hero add a utility class of h100. Well, I think I forgot to add this button also, so let's do it. Add another div for the button, class name hero CTA. It's call to action. Let me add anchor tag with the hashtag more and class of btn and btn submit. Now the markup is finally ready, and now let's add CSS to it. Add a comment, hero section, dot hero. Position, let's set position relative. H2 font size, pixel. Font color, it's not font color, it's color. That's second. That's second color. Margin bottom 17 pixel. Margin bottom 17 pixel. Text transform uppercase. So we have added H2 property. Now what else? We have created this hero property. Now we initialize this at 100. So go to the utilities, dot h100 height 1080 pixel. Now we add the style to the container. Copy this container class and now in the container add max weight 1440 pixel, margin auto, adding on top and bottom 0 and left right 20 pixel. Now add a property for grid class. So grid, it's similar to what we have done in the flex class. Just it's about we are setting for grid or display grid, and now let me set the column template, grid template column 1fr 1fr. This grid column template means in this grid we have two columns. We have defined separately 1fr 1fr. This fr means the fraction. This unit is work with only grids. This unit will work with only grids, I believe. It means there are two columns which are equal proportion to each other. In percentage they are 50-50. And add a justify content space around, align item center. Let me see what we have done already. It's looking quite believable. Now we have to adjust this p tag and this image and this button size, and we have already and now, so let's do it. And now let's add the properties for the paragraph. Font size 32 pixel, a line height 46 pixel. Let me see. Now we have to resize our image dot illustration. Width 90%. Image is looking good. So for the button, BTN submit. So now for CTA button, add a class BTN submit. BTN submit, where font size is 56 pixel, font size normal, padding 33 pixel, 33 pixel, 114 pixel, color again secondary color. And now look at the logo, it's looking good, but let me center it. So for that we need to select Hero CTA, display flex, align item center, enter, justify content center, and now add a margin top to this button. So for this we will add new utility class empty dash 80. In this we will add empty 80 button top 80 pixel. Let me see how it looks. It's looking good, but there is a bit of issue in the font. Let's check it out. So after debugging for 15 minutes, which we cut it out to save your time, I found I haven't implemented the font correctly. Let me show you. The font family has only 700 and 900 value, which is not right. So let me add more values. And now let me see. I forgot something to add. For the BTN submit class, for the BTN submit button, that is click for the click event. So for the click event of the BTN submit so let me explain. BTN submit active, where we have our shadows inset 8 pixel, 8 pixel, minus 8 pixel, minus 8 pixel, XY, and blur radius 8 pixel, where the color of your shadow is light shadow, which we have declared, and transition 0.2 seconds. Now let me cut and move it in the utility section. Paste. Let's move this beat and submit to our utility class, because we will use other btn where we actually submit our form. So let me see what the result. This is looking good. If you want to watch previous videos, please check on the playlist, and please like this video and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, and keep improving yourself day by day. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. See ya.